Want to manage your EmbedPress dashboard and settings in your native language? Translating the EmbedPress admin and controls is a breeze using the WPML plugin. Let's see how. Before we begin, make sure you have EmbedPress Free and Pro installed and activated, along with the WPML Multilingual CMS and WPML String Translation. First, we need to scan the plugin for translatable text. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WPML and click on Theme and Plugins Localization. From the Strings and Plugins section, check the boxes for both EmbedPress and EmbedPress Pro, and click the Scan Selected Plugins for Strings button. Once the scan is successful, head over to the String Translation menu under WPML. Ensure the display filter is set to all strings. Now, use the search bar to find the specific text you want to translate. For example, embed iframe width. Once done, hit Filter. When you find it, simply click the edit icon for your target language, like German, French, or Spanish. You can add new lines by pressing Shift plus Enter if needed. You can repeat this process for as many strings as you need. Now, let's check out the translations in action. Navigate to your EmbedPress settings menu. Click on the WPML language selector in your top admin bar and choose your newly translated language. You will instantly see your custom translated strings perfectly applied to the interface. It's that easy to translate the EmbedPress admin panel using WPML. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more.